Hello students, today's topic is need. Need as main verb and modal auxiliary. Subject teacher Kamal Bansinajan. Need as a main verb. As a main verb, when conjugated with do, need has the usual forms needs, needed. Need is used with a to infinitive. It is used in negatives, questions, and in the affirmative also. Need as a main verb. It is used in present, past, and future tense. Need as a main verb. Model sentences are here for our understanding. Affirmative sentences. He needs to call me. They needed to talk. Negative sentences. He doesn't need to call me. They didn't need to talk. And C. Interrogative sentences. Does he need to call me? Did they need to talk? These are interrogative sentences. Need as a modal auxiliary. Need as a modal auxiliary verb denoting necessity or obligation. It is conjugated without do. It has no SED forms, that is, needs, needed. Need is used with infinitive without to only in negative and interrogative sentences. Need as a modal auxiliary verb, it is used only in present tense. Need is used need as a modal auxiliary verb. It is not used in past tense and future tense. Need as a modal auxiliary. Need is not used in affirmative sentences. Need is not used in past and future tense. So, need is used in only present tense. Modal auxiliary need. Model sentences are here. Negative sentences. He need not meet me. They need not call me. She need not go. Model sentences. Interrogative sentences. Need he meet me? Need they call me? Need she go? Need. Need as main verb and a modal auxiliary. As a main verb and as a modal auxiliary. He needs to help me. But as a modal auxiliary, he, need is not used in affirmative sentences. He doesn't need to help me. He need not help me. Does he need to help me? Need he help me? He needed to talk. As a modal auxiliary, in the past tense, need is not used. He didn't need to talk. Did he need to talk? As a modal auxiliary, need is not used in past tense. Children, today we have learned use of need. Need as a main verb and need as a modal auxiliary. We have seen the model sentences. Read all that sentences very well and try to understand it well. Thank you. Goodbye.